Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Put on your Meta Quest 3, connect to Wi-Fi, and install any pending system updates so voice features work reliably. Next, sign into your Meta account and grant microphone and voice permissions when prompted so apps can access audio. Once done, open Quick Settings to set headset volume, pick the default audio device, and confirm privacy options for voice chat. This gets you to the first actionable state, where apps will actually detect and use your microphone. Now move into the app. Open the Game or Meta Horizon Home, find Settings then Voice or Social, and toggle Voice Chat on so others can hear you. Make sure to set mic sensitivity and noise suppression to balance background noise versus your voice. Enable spatial audio for realistic positioning if the app supports it. Once configured, create or join a party and invite friends, then run a quick in-party mic test to confirm levels. These steps ensure clear, consistent, in-game communication during sessions. Finish by saving settings and practicing the headset controls. Learn the quick menu mute/unmute, party volume slider, and how to rejoin voice channels. You should do a short test call with a friend to confirm clarity and make small adjustments to sensitivity or mic placement. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart the Quest 3, then immediately verify app microphone permissions and Bluetooth or wired connections. If audio still fails, repair accessories or reinstall the app to reset voice routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.